In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments with Monarch Money. Whether you're looking to streamline bill payments or manage subscriptions more effectively, setting up recurring payments can really simplify your financial management. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you are logged in to your Monarch Money account. If you haven't done that already, head over to the login page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you can access all your financial information. Next, navigate to the Bills and Subscriptions or Recurring Payments section. This is typically found in the main menu or under a Financial Tools category. Once there, you're on the right path to setting up your recurring payments efficiently. Now look for the option to add a new recurring payment. This could be listed as Add Recurring Payment or Set Up Recurring Transaction. Click on this option to begin the setup process. It's fairly straightforward from here. You'll want to enter the payment details accurately. Start by clicking on the field for payee or vendor name. Type in the name of the person or organization you need to pay regularly. It's crucial to ensure this information is correct, as it'll be used for all future payments. Next, specify the amount you want to pay each cycle. Click on the Amount field and input the correct sum. Double-check your entry to prevent any unexpected discrepancies in future transactions. Then, set the frequency of these payments. Click on Frequency and choose the appropriate interval, such as weekly, monthly, or any other available option that suits your payment needs. This ensures that you stay on track with your financial obligations without having to think about it every time. Following that, select the start date for your recurring payment. If applicable, you can also specify an end date to signify when these automatic payments should stop. This can be helpful for temporary subscriptions or bills that you anticipate changing over time. After setting the basic details, you will need to choose the funding account for these payments. Click to select whether you want the payments to be debited from a bank account or charged to a credit card. Monarch Money usually allows you to link various accounts, so make sure you pick the right one. Once everything is set up, click on Set Up Recurring Payment. This action will get your recurring payment scheduled into the system. You're almost done now. Lastly, review all the information you've entered. Ensure all details are accurate and reflect your preferences correctly. When you're confident everything is spot on, click on Save or Set Up Recurring Payment to finalize the setup. Congratulations! Your recurring payment should now appear in your Monarch Money dashboard. This setup will make managing your finances a breeze, saving you time and ensuring your obligations are met consistently. Go ahead and explore other features that Monarch Money offers to optimize your financial management further.